Ana tia pa da ko single room. Abere tu kakoge. Yindi ko ni aron puro. Nyanya aron pura tungulu. How is that possible?
Timere. Get for me a sack.
Okay.
Get for me gravels.
Gravels better.
Get for me loam soil.
Gravels
better. Lela. We can use this lela kum your only concrete.
Okay.
Yeah. You can use that. You can use gwengo goa. Ramu goa gwengo man red stone. Ramu goa goa.
Ena malu marame.
Yeah. Ramu goa goa. Pero maram dong kita ni tamu kaya me dinoti. But gwengo di kana don. Yeah. Ramu goa. Nung puhu. Chak feeling. Get ginuluning on. Kebe moro tin norme nomi gini ene. Keru go idea puhu like this. Fold your sack. This thing we're going to do it maybe when we have time.
Okay.
Fold your sack up to the level of the
coffee gini
container cha.
Yes.
Bucket cha.
Yes.
Ngol wi bucket roko. Me we be tolu kita bedu keni te ngolo tayar da ko. Te be da me kai ne no ye you can look through.
Okay.
Put in the middle of the sack. Chak feeling lobo ko. Ilag puhu ni. Kai kero lobo lom soil yo dark. That dark soil na chole. Oko round. Ket gwen ko die gini. Nya. Ket gwen ko die
kana bucket ye. Yes.
Nano. Kai kero ko ame kero lobo ko pull up. Ano. Wa bucket ni oko.
Okay.
Kai wa bucket continue doing the same thing. The process continues until it reaches that level you want. Lobo gina do yini mito peto.
Koket kong kwan ko gina chel kom.
Let's kwanya tungulo.
Atungulu, yes.
Yeah. Imito peta tungulo. You can let it be in a certain level well tungulo nyo well kila memito peto.
Okay.
Yeah. You can do it for more than 5 to 6 sacks. Mekumitirie ogikai nyimot kiken kito. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So kado yini feeling gini do ko you are not going to fold up pedal puhuni. And then in some scenarios joke dollar puhuni ko we de chako ma heroko. Yeah. Idolo kala hegiken pe umu we idolo kala hegiken. Then you start planting your things. Chako planting kongi iwiye kanu kon round. Ka be do puha la chiene.
Ko ke tu bando puhu wa ene.
Puhu ni don man puhu. Yeah. Diere kano bedo gweng wacha no lela wacha. Yeah, gweng cha yini keru kano to filtrate water.
No. So no ma me kercha.
Yeah.
Uber me gweng pe na kai ni wa pe.
So kaja go yo chalera goa. Inu jo go ginora menu loboti lahe.
Gweng ti diere.
Yeah. So that is the formation of course ginamero me you ginolbedo kwa. If the soil is not filtrating, kalo peti ametia KUP. Me pi clogging oko kano. Te top patungulu ni oko.
Okay.
You know? Are we talking?
Nena ani angalui.
Yeah.
So pia me onyo ni, eni onyi kum lobo ni. Donyo dankara da ki donyi I gweng diere.
Woro ma do yigwen. Memi yo Omi kai inde pera tungu. Let's say mwendo ko ni mombiere ni obedo gweng don.
Gweng don.
Yeah, wando yo bucket wacha oko. Bucket wacha konyo waka memi yo.
Ka gweng beretie.
Gweng beretie diere.
Okay.
Yeah. That is it. Kado gweng wati diere kan lobo ti lahe lobo do lacha puhuni. You can have 2, you can have 3 lines. Yeah, te peto ko ye. Te chuchobo ko puhu da do. Raheno ko ye kanu no rako ko ye. You give it just around 4 days, 4 to 5 days. Ino mujamino cha hutuchoko.
Komda
Tungulu cha hutuchoko. So kado cha hutuchama no. It is only matter. Jo kene kita me keru gini kiri line me kana me cot chue moli abari onyi ye. So jo kene keru kana me en moli ye kitu. But sometimes it is even better, though it is not all that required for because caught waiting walk or low that hoko. So no caught here with a lot of force. Yeah, with a lot of energy that would local low splashing low. Yeah, so maybe you better bear in kumi kere kana me from better bear ni mod kano ite beda me you just water in the morning in the evening. In the morning in the evening. Kada pingi kiti it is even better. Better dao ko.
Piano ko da chwe ko.
No ko da chwe ko. Nano.
So tungulu bala pu hachel. Rom kai peri pu hachel. Rom kade kwany ko rom pinu bakiladi.
Logo do type tungula me yini pit.
Okay.
Because tiano kene bera titina man me rekyo wano kardon yo lo kede. Yo lo ngo lo chupa. Tiano kene bera titina man me bere ku manyi de tino ni.
Mia ni.
Pedak mia yo jongo ma pol de bere ku. Awakere ni. Yeah, then tiano kene me in a stem a chel no dai kwanye kadi. NHL.
Okay.
Ni kwanyari yo nyo adeg. Logo that type of atungula me in yel me teacher. But kai pir puha gel. You're most likely to have atungulu kilos ame kardario.
Okay.
Yeah. Kilos ame kardario. Because it is going to yield up very good. I mean a very good yield. Quality de better.
Mando da lucky peba.
Mando da yedang tieba. Because
pero tia right
to alba kita me macha do beru kere por roho. Because mano there are some weeds naturally lobo work the weeds.
Nyige no tiu do yel.
Yeah, no lobo, yeah. Naturally lobo work the weeds. Then gina pirra, there is no way gina pirra mutu abondo.
Ipe ni angi puro ko. Ha?
Puro tia be.
Puro ko.
Puro tia be.
No ka puhu na moro. Ketu gwen dia tar lo wikine. Ada
cobalangit
puhu.
Ketu jamini ko ya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Atungulu ter karang.
Because lobu che merege again.
Okay.
Tungulu doesn't require too much nutrients from the soil. Yeah. Then and the likes of a chogino and yeah. Atungulu ter dwera dek.
Kuri nyanya wane jo mar piti bucket ikon.
Nyanja me bucket. Those are the kind of things we are talking about here. Yeah. You can have like just a pot. Yeah. You can have like a pot, a large pot luit nyanya ni romu water bear, then nutrients a bear ame romu chamo, temi you fruiting a bear. Yeah.
Okay.
The thing here is the larger your bucket or the larger your sack is also the better the requirement that is needed for the growth of your plant.
Kako puken tie we koro jogin ko bua. Kako puken tie yin mi wa nge. Ka pe nyor tie yin mi wa nge. Eka wando richa.
Wana no neno ka gamo tie to mi
nge yo. Ko ini chala meti neno ni ultimate media ena yetu chung behind. Sauni ti winyi tia bero. Tine anang kala yero jo ni tindo tia wate.
Tindo di kitoro.
Kom dong ando lok puro mar vero kitien wando.
And also, by the way, this is a very great place to be at. Tia ngwet.
Angwet.
Yeah.
Inuoro nye te yele.
Nye wono ko ni wokoba. It is a very good place. Ametia ya bana ngwet kanen. In kai donyo behind sisop, dileke sisop. Yeah. Don't you go kona ni mo tino kono, then you just find your place yourself at the place.
Okay.
Kakane na kitangiche ne. Yeah, you sit like you're sitting home.
Some quick informations around town.
Yeah.
Kaiti bino lera, ameberu welo. Onyo welo ni morti abino lera. There is well what tours. Ameti ubino kwa lera kan.
Kiri peberu welo. You can teach the well what
yes.
Tours and travels.
Yeah, I don't teach the well what tours and travels. Ginala okelo wakaina no what you.
By the way, can you say something about Welawa? The interviewer is interviewing the interviewee.
All right, Welawa tours.
Yeah.
Obedo. Ingeo tikito tia me kayini wor kanor. By lang kan. Jongeo kani kayini mi wor Kampala. Yini wor booking bus.
Yeah.
Ginate mere yonge. Indo paying.
You're less concerned
so,
about.
Likewise, Lera bedu kede so many visitors. Lera community ni Lera gamu wela duong ora.
Yeah.
Kadu wela ni pengeo kwena mire wor ye ngo mire tim kwene.
Pengeo kabura
ber yet Lera
ticket. Chamo kwene.
Aha.
Ena mo bin me moyo tich pengeo kamako kyal passport.
Your ultimate media tikwe.
Ultimate media pengeo gini.
So, utuko ni kodi dilemma no eno maro beda tie.
Yeah.
Donka yini tie meti bino lera you have a visa or you have something meti biti lera kanen tigina me waloni arrival package
Yeah.
Arrival package but prior booking. Ame yini go yindo you only activate your stay. Kobo koni anate bino le ninda pa bino pinina beach.
Yeah.
I mean to be hotel loro maybe my budget is 50,000 pe hotel room. I mean to chamo gini. Wek do kakano.
Yindo wekiwa.
Wando kwa nyike kano.
Lo we ni wekiwa.
Ado yini. I don't need to cha.
Yes.
There is someone to pick you from bus park.
Okay.
Metere na hakana me yinti mo.
So, ka wor Kampala. Area me to kong ber dang ba wer dilira. I want that treat.
Well, wa you know very well.
I don't me to be well, okay, can dilira, but I just want let's say I want your service.
I mean neku we quite a bit.
We are quite a bit. Ana jotia taking care of me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come danga ini okay. The other good part of it yeni chado yinjo kwenjo teroko to your room.
Yeah.
Poini lera ticket a number of facilities. Jo ame ticket facilities. Ameti meet well in your facilities.
Yeah.
Alami.
We cooperate.
Yes. At this level, we've just come to collaborate.
Yeah.
Karame competition do timo.
O karoko.
Karame competition do karoko. At this time, we believe so much in collaboration.
Yeah.
You have a ticket, they would have best show guest houses, hotels, and a potpourri registering.
Ini ticket the show.
The portal.
Ticket Lawero, Gulu, ticket Lawero, Kenya, ticket Lawero, Tanzania.
You want the best service.
Timir ni boot kana be.
Okay, actually, let us deliver your vista.
That is it.
Yini work kati yin kai wek do we wa.
Yeah.